Hi, welcome to the exhaust manifold variant which I wanted you to show. Therefore, I will use the already existing part and will change it. So first I will delete this boolean operation. So we got two parts, one part, the second part, and I will delete this boolean operation as well. Okay, so what I have to change is this part right here. So that's part 1. Let's hide part 2 and part 3 and delete the features. So that's the one. Delete the shell. I could even go back up here. Delete part 1. Delete the split, the boolean, the pattern, the sweep, and let's show the surface which I need. That's the one which I need. Okay, I need some more sketches and therefore I need some more planes. So I go for plane, and the type should be point, curve point or point normal. Let's make a curve point. There should be one right here. And that's the curve. Then there should be right here or here. That's the curve. Sorry, I forgot to confirm it. So let's try this once again. I need some more planes, so I go for plane, curve point, and that's the point, that's the curve, confirm. Again, curve point, that's the point, that's the curve, confirm, and another one, curve point right here, and the curve, confirm. The more planes and the more profiles you use, the more it will be similar to the one with the sweep. Okay, and another one, maybe the last one. Curve point. This one. Curve. Confirm. And I already got one through this point. That's a plane. This should be a plane somewhere below. I could now move this back right here. And there should be a plane. That's the one. And show it. So I can use this plane as well. Now I need some profiles. These profiles would be circles. So let's make a sketch right on this plane. Let's try to get the point. I can do an intersection and try to intersect it with just this one. So maybe I go for use and use this point, and let's make a circle, and diameter should be, it's the start, it's 54, sorry. Okay, confirm. Then another one, so sketch on this plane, and I try to use this point, make another circle, and let's make this, let's say 50, or let's say 48. Okay, confirm. Another sketch right on this plane. I want to use that point, another circle, let's make this 44. Maybe another one, no, confirm. And another one right here. Just use again the point, make a circle, make it 40 and confirm. Now what I want to do is I want to do a loft between these profiles. Then I will do an extrude and an extrude. So go for loft. Usually it's better to start with a smaller one, so let's start with the smaller one. I go for this profile, second profile, third profile, okay, and this one. Now what you want to make for sure is use the end conditions and make it normal to profile for the start and for the end. And then you could give it a different magnitude, let's say for example 2. Looks like this. Maybe that's too much, so let's go for 1.5. Yeah, that's more like it. And you could change it here as well. 1.5, confirm. Yeah, looks okay. And confirm. Okay, now let's do with the same sketch. That's the sketch. An extrude. You could add it, but I want to make a new one. Change the direction and make it up to a plane. It should be the right plane. Make it up to face and use the right plane. Yes. Confirm. Maybe hide this surface. And then you could make a pattern with this one. So this should be part 3. So go for linear pattern. And this one would be a part pattern, yes, and I want to pattern that part. Okay. Direction is this plane, or the normal to this plane. Okay. Distance should be 8, 5, and there should be 3 instances, and turn it around. Okay, and confirm. This looks nice. Now I want to make a boolean operation, so let's go for a boolean operation, and I want to make a union between this one, that one, that one, and that one, and confirm. Looks very nice. Now let's go for a shell. I want to remove this face, if possible. This face. That face. And that face. And confirm. So let's check the thickness. This should be 2. And confirm. Now let's hide the planes. Hide all planes. That's more like it. And let's see what the other parts look like. So that's this part. Yeah, that's okay. And sketch 8 and these sketches are, that hole did not generate properly, so I have to check these sketches and the holes and maybe make this one visible as well. Of course there should be a difference. So let's check. Sketch, that's the hole right here. Sketch 6. And this hole. There are no target parts selected, so I go for this hole. And I want to go through this body. And confirm. So this is okay. Then check out sketch 7. Yeah. Of course. These circles are not here anymore. Okay. So this sketch has to be drawn after these, and the extrude and the fillets and this one. So I would have to move all this stuff up. Let's try if it is possible before sketch 7, right up to here. Now sketch 9, so I will just move them piece for piece. The loft, the extrude, the pattern, the boolean, and the shell. Okay. Now let's try to correct sketch 7. Okay. What I want to remove is of course these circles, because they no longer exist. And what I want to have is the other circles, so I'll go for use edges and project this one, and that one. Okay. Now I want to have a center of this, and it might not be possible to get the center because this may not be a circle at all. So I will try it in a different way. Let's show sketch 12. That's a circle, and I can go for this center point. So just put a point right on this one, therefore I have to use it. Okay, and then I can make a distance between this point and that point. This should work, and the distance is 8,5. That's okay. And confirm. So that's okay right now. And I need an extrude and a pattern. And I could do this before the pattern, then I could pattern them both. So I think that's the pattern. Here it doesn't really matter. Okay, let's try the following. Let's go for an extrude and try to get the edge. That works, nice. And make it a solid and make it a new one. Okay, and make it up to face, up to this face. That's nice. And confirm. So this is a new body, part 4, and I could make a shell. Make it 2. And remove this face and the other one. Therefore I would have to hide. So let's go for hide other parts and remove this one as well and confirm. Now let's show the other parts. Looks nice, but it should go up to this face. That's more like it. That's this extrude, and make it up to the plane. I think it was plane 1, up to this plane. Yes. Confirm. And the shell, let's check if it makes an update. No. So let's remove these two, go for this one, and hide other parts, and remove this face. Come on. And confirm. Make it visible again, and then I could make a linear pattern. So let's go for a linear pattern. Direction should be one of the planes. That's the right plane. The normal to the right plane, and make it 3, make it 8, 5, and change the direction. Looks good, and confirm. Now sketch 8. Here, of course, this one was referring to the center point right here. That constraint is lost, so remove it and make it a distance from this point to that point, and make this 85 and confirm. Okay, now this hole needs a body, and that's the body, and confirm. Okay, now I could make a union of all the bodies, so let's go for union. Part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and confirm, and I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this editorial of the exhaust manifold as well, and if you want to see more Onshape videos, give it a like or leave a comment down below. See you to the next one. Bye bye.